All right, my friends, spring is here. Rejoice! And the season is the perfect time to refresh your look, feel your best, and here with some easy ways to upgrade your wardrobe, accessories, and even your beauty routine is lifestyle expert and our pal, Niki Anastasakis. Great to see you.
Great to see you again, Teddy.
So tell us about how thrifting can kind of spruce up your closet for the spring.
All right, so Value Village is the ultimate place for thrifting. You may have been.
I have been.
Before.
Yes, many times.
A lot of people, consumers, are really taking thrifting seriously.
Yep.
And it's such a great experience because not only is it super affordable, but they have a lot of trendy finds, like things that are stylish. And at Value Village, you can explore and have your own treasure hunt experience.
Yeah.
Each Value Village store in Canada receives about 34,000 new merchandise every week. You guys, you can visit your local Value Village to find an incredible selection of spring fun fits, and also visit valuevillage.ca. Fill up your closets.
Yeah, I have a great Value Village right near me, and it's a big one. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, there you go. I was able to find a couple things too, so I have them hanging here, and I can't wait to wear them this spring.
And let's talk about adding a spring to your step. These are Skechers?
Skechers.
Okay.
We have Skechers, which is the comfort technology company.
Right.
This company is really great for adults, men, women, kids, the ultimate comfort wear shoes. I've been a fan favorite for a very long time.
Yeah.
And their latest innovation is the Skechers hands-free slip-in, which is the shoes we have on display here. No more bending to tie laces or put your shoes on. It is made with a heel technology that has a foam that easily allows your foot to slip in and keep you supported. Air-cooled memory foam provides instant comfort, very lightweight, and what I love about them is you can toss them in the wash. So comfortable, and you can buy these at Skechers.ca or visit your local Softmock or Foot Locker. You know, you might have also seen some celebrities rock Skechers like Martha Stewart, Tony Romo, or Amanda Kloots. So they're a fan favorite for everybody.
So in spring, we want everything to be in focus. You know, whether we're out checking out a park or something, we want things to be in focus. So let's talk about glasses, because true story, I just started wearing reading glasses 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
So there you go. So I'm in the game for glasses
Good
now.
timing.
Yeah.
Well, Specsavers has you covered.
Okay.
Specsavers has so much selection this spring. They have a great selection of metal frames with a hint of color. The pastels are really in right now. A wire frame offers a sleek, minimalistic look with a barely there feel. Classic or modern, they work with any style. These ones are the Chrissy by Specsavers.
Okay.
Then we have these Marc Jacobs, as you can see.
Oh, cool.
We have Esmeralda. We have Roxy 11, and I urge you guys to visit your local Specsavers to try them on. You can go online and actually virtually try them on as well. So you don't even need to leave the comfort of your home. You can select the pair you like, put your camera on, and it'll put them on your face.
So you can get that done at home.
So you could do that at home, Specsavers.ca, or also visit your local Specsavers.
Okay, and last but definitely not least, our skin.
Yes.
The changes in weather in Canada, right? Like it can wreak havoc on our skin. So what's a way to ensure that we're going into springtime with some nice skin that we feel good about?
So this spring, spruce up your skincare routine with the Conair True Glow LED Light Therapy Face Mask. But now you can do this in the comfort of your home.
Oh, cool.
LED light therapy is proven to help with things like fine lines, wrinkles, acne scarring, and it just helps smooth out your skin. So with regular use of these LED masks, you'll be able to see a visible difference.
Yeah.
And it's really easy. It's just 6 minutes every day with this Conair one. And what I love is it's super flexible. The mask is made with medical grade silicone, flexible and comfortable to wear. It's cordless and portable. So if you're, doing things around the house, very easy to wear. You can purchase this at canadiantire.ca.
So where can people learn more about everything you talked about
So
today
all the
here?
websites you saw on screen, and also my personal Instagram. You can search me up at Niki Anastasakis or Niki Anna, and I'll have some more details on my socials.
Great to see you, Niki.
Good to see you,
Try these on real quick.
Here,
You wanna
I'll
try
take
those
these
on?
ones.
Okay,
Let's do
perfect.
it.
Here we go. Totally matches our fits.
Okay.
Hello.
Looking good.
Cool. Thanks, Niki.
Happy spring.
Happy springtime!